Home remedy for burping. Burping, also known as belching or eructation, ion of the way your body expel excessive gas from your stomach. It is often accompanied with a typical sound, a theme, en odor. The gas in your stomach may also cause abdominal pain and cramp vary in severity and duration. There are two main causes of burping: swallowing excess air will yet in your poor digestion of food are reçu in an overproduction of gas in the digestive system. Burping is sometimes associated with an underlying medical condition, such as gastroesophageal reflux, GER, fructose malabsorption, gastritis, peptic ulcer, lactose intolerance, and celiac disease. To burping is a natural bodily function. It can be embarrassing and even uncomfortable at times. To prevent entry a burping, you can use some simple home remedy to reduce gas formation in your stomach. Note: occasional burping is normal and nothing to worry about. But a persist burping could indicate an underlying digestive disorder. You need to consult your doctor. Rare some home remedy for burping. Gingembre. Gingembre en effective home treatment to prevent excessive gas. Carminative property el prolaxed gastro-intestinal muscle, en se preventing gas, burping and bloating. It promote digestion, calent stomac et il prolive abdominal pain. Puis un tablespoon of gingembre slice in a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain, add a little lemon en lemon juice, and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, you can take a gingembre supplement. Consult your doctor for the correct dosage. Peppermint. Peppermint is a note natural remedy to treat burping. Antispasmodic property el prolaxed digestive tract, which reduce the formation of gas in the stomach. It even improve the flow of bile and promote overall digestion. Puis un teaspoon of dry peppermint leaf in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Note: people WHO have a history of gallstone must know the herb. Probiotic food. Probiotic food el restore the natural balance of your gut bacteria. An imbalance of the bacteria in your digestive system can contribute to gas formation and belching. Probiotic food can even treat for digestive problem, ranging from constipation to diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome to bloating. Some of the best probiotic food you can eat include Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, buttermilk and sour pickles. You can opt to take probiotic supplement, after consulting your doctor. Chamomile. A note herb to treat burping is chamomile. Drinking chamomile tallow abdominal gas to the through system instead of belching. It can also help relieve intestinal cramping. Chamomile help in soothing the stomach and relieving stomach gas. It can be used for several gastrointestinal conditions, such as flatulence, spasm, colic, and upset stomach. Puis un chamomile tea bag in a cup and pour un cup of boiled water over it. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the tea bag and sip your chamomile. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Cardamom. Cardamom increases the production of digestive juice in the stomach, thereby reducing the chance of gas formation. Carminative nature suit the digestive tract and prevent formation of gas without digestive problem, such as indigestion, bloating and heartburn. Chez un bar oblique 2 to 1 teaspoon of dry roasted fennel seed after eating a meal to reduce belching and expel gas through your intestinal tract. Also, add 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seed to 1 cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain it. Drink it twice a day. Anise seed. Anise seed contains several components to aid digestion and treat belching. Carminative property help expel gas buildup in your digestive tract and reduce bloating. Muscle relaxant and gastric protective property. Chez un bar oblique 2 teaspoons of anise seed to aid digestion after a meal and help produce gas production. Also, add one teaspoon of lightly crushed anise say to 1 cup of boiling water. Cove, let it steep for 5 minutes and then strain it. Drink it twice a day. Asafoetida. Asafoetida, also known as can control the formation due to acidity, thanks to anti-flatule property. It also a antispasmodic property to help alleviate stomach ache caused by abdominal gas. Mix a pinch of asafoetida in a glass of warm water. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Also, use asafoetida powder while preparing curry en soup. Do not consume asafoetida if you take blood pressure medication. Holy basil. A noter effective remedy for belching holy basil. Antispasmodic and carminative property help expel gas and azote gastrointestinal discomfort, such as stomach pain, bloating and indigestion. Shake 4 to 5 holy basil leaves slowly every morning to prevent belching. You can also drink basil 2 or 3 times a day. To prepare the herbal, steep a teaspoon of basil leaf in 1 cup of hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain, add donner and drink it. Avoid gas-producing food. All your effort to prevent burping will be ineffective unless you avoid eating gas-producing food. Carbohydrate-rich food and fatty food often cause gas and should be restricted or avoided for some time. Some of the food that produce gas. Carbonated drink, beer and red wine. Milk and hot dairy product that contain lactose. Ban and hot légumes. Fruits like banana, melon, apricot, peach, pear, prunes en raw apple. Egg. Sugar and sugar substitute. Wheat and wheat bran. Packaged food with lactose, such as bread and cereal. Vegetable like raw potato, asparagus, broccoli, cucumber, green pepper, oignon, pea, radish, Brussels sprout, cabbage and cauliflower. Additional tip. Eat food slowly. Eating quickly make you swallow more air can cause burping and hiccup. Share your food ugly with your mouth closed and avoid talking when you chew. Drink beverage slowly to avoid swallowing excess air. Don't use straw to drink beverage, especially carbonated drink. Avoid sucking on hard candy. If you wear denture, make sure they are fitted properly. Poorly adjusted denture make you chew abnormally and swallow air. Stop smoking, inhaling cigarette smoke cause excess swallowed air. Take a brisk walk for 10 to 15 minutes after eating. Reduce your stress level, excess stress can affect your breathing and cause you to swallow air.